G'day, here's a parcel of Nobby Opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia. Rules in millimetres, material's been wetted. Help highlight the colours and patterns, as you can see here. Like there's the opal encased in the parent clay rock material. We'll just go in a bit closer so you get a better look. Okay, I've gone in a bit closer, and as you can see, it's got some pretty colours in it. Blue flash going across there, black centre, so it needs to be polished and see how it goes. Piece like that, basically specimens. You can see the opal's gone through the little cracks, filled it up, gone hard, different colour, different time. Even a little bit of pink showing there. Whether you actually cut any gems out of this, I don't know, but it's interesting. There's coloured greens, yellows. Sometimes it opens out, and sometimes it just continues like it is. It's not a very expensive parcel. That could be a bit of fossilised tree or bone, I don't know. Or it might just be naturally occurring hollow in the clay. Little pea knobby, another one there. And there's still a lot of pieces to look at. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.